Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the battery type. Most Hondas use CR2032, but some use CR2025, so check the old cell now. Once done, clear a workspace and grab a small flathead and a Phillips screwdriver. These are used to pry and unfasten. Make sure the key is out of the ignition and the fob is clean so dirt doesn't fall inside. Pry at the seam gently with the flathead, feel for the clip, and twist slowly to open the halves without snapping plastic. With the fob opened, observe the battery orientation and the stamped polarity marking. This tells you how to insert the new cell. Use a plastic pick or your fingertip to lift the old battery. Avoid metal tweezers which can short contacts. Remove the old cell and place the new CR2032 or CR2025 in the same orientation, pressing until it seats. Once seated, check the contact springs for corrosion and carefully clean with a cotton swab and a bit of isopropyl if needed. After the battery is seated, align the two halves and press them together until the clips snap. Reinstall any screws you removed. Test the fob by standing 1 to 2 feet from the car and pressing lock and unlock. LED blink and door response confirm success. If it doesn't work, open it again, reseat the battery and clean contacts. A poor contact is the most common issue. Make sure you use the correct battery model and that the battery's polarity matches the original before closing for good.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.